In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music in your Zoom meetings. Whether you're conducting a professional seminar, hosting a fun virtual party, or simply trying to enhance your meeting with some background tunes, integrating music into your Zoom calls can elevate the experience for everyone involved. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, ensure that your Zoom application is open and that you're either hosting or part of a meeting. Once you have your meeting set up and running smoothly, take a look at the bottom toolbar of the Zoom interface. Your goal here is to locate the More option. This is usually represented by 3 dots, or might just say More. Depending on your Zoom version and updates, this menu is your access point to a range of additional features not immediately visible on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on that More button. Upon doing so, you'll notice a drop-down or a pop-up menu with various options and tools that Zoom offers to enhance your meeting experience. This is where you can find either lesser-known functions or newly added features that Zoom continuously updates and improves. Next, you'll want to look for the Apps option. This option is crucial because it allows you to integrate different applications directly into your Zoom interface. By clicking on Apps, you'll be able to explore and manage the different apps that you might want to use during your meeting. The ecosystem here is quite robust, and today our focus will be specifically on using an app to play music. After selecting Apps, search for the Music app or tab within this section. Zoom has made it relatively intuitive to enable and integrate music into your meeting space. Different updates and versions might display this option differently, but it's generally labeled straightforwardly. It incorporates seamless audio sharing, meaning your participants can enjoy the music without compromising on sound quality. One helpful tip while setting this up is to ensure your computer audio settings are optimized to share sound from your device. Before the meeting, check your computer's audio output settings and adjust your Zoom audio settings accordingly to ensure the best quality. This means any music you play will flow through clearly, allowing everyone to enjoy the background ambiance without any hitches or awkward pauses. Once you've selected the relevant music app, you can start playing your selected tunes. If you're using a third-party app integrated with Zoom, ensure it's running smoothly in the background and has access permissions. Test the audio with your audience. It's always a good idea to ask for feedback on their end to make sure it sounds good and on par with expectations. That's it for today. Feel free to explore the different music options and experiment with what works best for your audience and meeting type. With practice, playing music during your Zoom meetings will become second nature, enhancing your sessions and making them much more engaging and enjoyable